everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and sometimes when you're thirsty, you don't want a fancy power smoothie with every superfood you can imagine. You just want something simple that is still refreshing, which is why today we are going to make this mega refreshing strawberry smoothie. Let's get into it. Obviously, smoothies are some of the easiest recipes out there, so let's just focus on the ingredients. In a blender go some frozen strawberries. Of course you can use fresh, but frozen strawberries have the bonus feature of chilling our drink without watering it down with ice cubes. Next goes the most hydrating ingredient of all time, coconut water. It doesn't have an extreme flavor, which will allow our strawberry taste to shine, but still does a lot more than water for quenching thirst and deepening our smoothie flavor. For a quick health boost, I'm going to add some chia seeds, and if you want your smoothie a bit sweeter, a little bit of agave nectar. All that's left to do is blend this for a couple minutes until the smoothie is, well, smooth. Then grab some fresh strawberries in an umbrella and serve this dish. God, this just looks so good already. Strawberry smoothies are one of my favorite kinds, but unlike other ones, this one has a bunch of just natural sweetness and doesn't feel overly sugary. And then it's just super hydrating with that coconut water. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what some of your favorite smoothies are down in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Strawberry smoothies are one of my favorite kinds of all time.